Hey guys, subscribe our channel Tech Explorer and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an amazing video. Hello friends, welcome to Tech Explorer. In this video, we are going to show you how to change your Windows font using Win Arrow Tweaker. So now let's explore it. First of all, download the Win Arrow Tweaker application using the link provided in the description and install it. After installing this Win Arrow Tweaker application, you can see a lot of options are here using which you can customize your operating system. So now to change your system font, just scroll down to the advanced appearance setting. In that, click on icons and then click to change font. Now select the font style and size and hit OK to change the icons font. And similarly do these steps for the menus, message font and other options so that their font also will be changed. Along with the font changing and other customization options, this Win Arrow Tweaker has a lot of other features such as ad blocking, customization of shutdown menu options, and hibernating options and many more. Now let's have a look to all these options. At the last, restart your PC to see the changes. After restarting the PC, you can see that you have changed the Windows font successfully. So friends, if you like this video, please do like, comment, share, and most important, don't forget to subscribe our channel Tech Explorer for more videos like this. Now goodbye and thanks for watching our video.